Good afternoon. This is Terrance from Ukraine. Today started out like the last 3 days. It's standing by my window, listening and looking for the sound of planes. The last 3 days, I was looking for Ukrainian planes. Today was different with an air raid alert at about 7:30, and I was up out of bed to see if I could hear any planes coming in my direction and perhaps to listen for explosions if I heard something like that. It's not unusual to have these air raid sirens. We have them a couple times a day, but in the central eastern city of Ukraine where I'm living, we've been very lucky. We've not had any attacks or any damage. The 2 times our city was actually threatened by planes and by aircraft, the territorial defense was able to shoot them down, and that was actually towards the beginning of the war 2 weeks ago. Every day is sort of like this, a couple of air raid sirens. I usually don't respond to them. I feel pretty safe here in my town because we've not been bombed. If we do get bombed, I think I will probably head for the shelters. But today, a bright sunny day. Once you get past the air raid alerts, life is okay here. Signing off now.